This video is made possible by AMaySim.
Hey everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have an iPad mini 4 and we're going to show you how to insert and remove a SIM card. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have the right kind of iPad. So some iPads are Wi-Fi only and they don't allow you to insert a SIM card, and some of course are Wi-Fi plus cellular, which allows you to go away from Wi-Fi and use the cellular function using a SIM card. So I have a SIM card and a SIM removal tool. If you don't have one of these, you can use a straightened out paper clip or an old one or one from a different phone. They're all basically the same. So what you want to do on this particular model is look for the SIM tray here on the lower right side, and you'll see a dot as well as a small tray. And if you push this tip into that hole, the tray will pop out. So let's get this guy in and push gently but firmly, and you can see it pops open, and then use your fingernail to kind of pull it the rest of the way out. And so now you can see there is a chamfered edge here. And so what you want to do is take the SIM card, which also has that notch cut out in one corner. So you can see with the contacts facing downwards, the notch is on the top right corner on both the tray and the SIM card. Okay, so to replace it, you want to just line it up with the hole that you pushed with the SIM removal tool towards the bottom. Line it up with the bottom of the hole on the iPad and push it in gently but firmly. Make sure that the card stays in the tray all the way in, doesn't get jammed. And then slide it in, and you want to be able to run your finger over here. So make sure that it's all the way in and it's flush. And so that's basically how you insert the SIM card. And to remove the SIM card, just do the same steps. So find that hole, take your SIM removal tool, push it in straight and gently but firmly, and you'll see it pop out. And then you want to take your fingernail and pull it. And the key thing here is to make sure that you have the iPad face up, so the screen is facing upwards, so that when you pull this out, the card stays in the tray. If you were to do this upside down with it facing downwards and you pulled your tray out, what's going to happen? Oh no, your SIM card fell on the floor. Maybe you fell in a crack somewhere, you're never going to find it. So always be sure to have the iPad facing upwards with the tray with the hole towards the bottom. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions on inserting or removing a SIM card from an iPad mini or any other iPads or any other mobile phones, do check out our other videos and leave a comment below. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye. Okay, so one more thing. Let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.